Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a CJ Dropshipping eBay tutorial, and this is going to be very easy. It's going to be how you can dropshipping from CJ to your online store on eBay. Now, first of all, you're going to have to make sure to have an online store on eBay. I'm not going to show you how to do this because I'm going to assume that you already do, but you can just click on eBay and just click on create your listing or create your store. Now, first of all, guys, it's very important to notice that actually eBay is one of the authorized stores in CJ. Shopify, eBay, AliExpress, and all of those have actually, integrated plugins that you can just use. So, for example, eBay has one. Okay, and it's going to be very easy and super, simple to just do it. Now, before we commence, guys, let me tell you something about the eBay dropshipping policies. It's very important if you don't want your store to get banned that you fully respect the dropshipping eBay policy. You can just access this little link in here. And what it's going to tell you basically is that dropshipping is allowed on eBay if you own the items prior to listing or have an agreement with a wholesale supplier to list and sell their items. Meaning that, you do not have to sell items that you do not own, okay? Because you're going to be basically responsible for this and they might charge you or they might sue you for this, okay? So always make sure to actually buy from wholesale suppliers and from authorized sellers, okay? But never sell items that you do not own or that you're going to purchase from other retail sites such as Amazon or AliExpress, okay? So this is very important for you to notice. With this thing clear, because I don't want you to get banned on your store, what you're going to have to do here is you're going to have to come to CJ Dropshipping. We're going to have to go to our dashboard by clicking on our little, icon. And now I'm just going to have to go to authorization, okay, which is, I believe, where is it? It's here, it's authorization. And now you're going to have to look for eBay. You're going to click on it. You're going to click on add store. As you can see, as I told you before, this is very easy because it has like an authorized, plugin. And you're going to sign in with your Google account or with your email. It doesn't matter really, just sign into your store and you're going to give access to your eBay store. And now your link, this is great. Now your final link. Now let's say that you want to add a product to your eBay store. What are you going to do? You're going to go to the product that you want to find. For example, let's say jewelry. This one, for example. We're going to select this one. And now I'm just going to go to where it says list. I'm just going to look for, I'm going to give it a name, of course, the store selection, of course, it needs to be your eBay store, not any other. And then you have to make sure to click on list it now. If not, it's not going to be saved and it's not going to be listed, okay? So make sure to give it a list it now button, okay? And yep, that's pretty much it. You have now the full tutorial on how to list from CJ to eBay. Thanks so much.